Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com, taking a look at crude here on a daily time frame. Today was an interesting day. Started off with interesting news to start the day, as I'm sure you're all aware of. But as far as the price action is concerned, still in this really tight range, pretty much between 48.88 and just about 49.75, let's call it. So what's happening here? Where are we going? Pretty much it looks like it's a coin toss at this point. We've been fighting with this 200 period simple moving average here on this daily time frame, as well as this downtrend line here. We managed to close above it here, and it looks pretty solid, but at the same time I'm still expecting some sort of a retrace. But then again, it could go the other way as well. So let's just go over some things to look at in either case to keep it kind of simple, and to get an idea of what to do in the event one thing happens versus the other. All right, so here's the hourly time frame. I did a little bit of house cleaning. I mean, even though it still looks pretty chaotic here, but I had a downtrend line here on this hourly time frame, and we did break above, went below, now we broke back above again. So I'm sure you're all familiar with this story here. We've been basically gyrating in this little area here, between 48.60 and about let's call it 49.86. That's pretty much the general area that we've been trading within. So let me just go ahead and make this the level of major support here, and then we'll just have a couple levels here identified as the areas to watch for the top side. So in the event that oil does happen to break out here, it does have some resistance here, clearly at around 49.80, then again near around 49.94, just shy of 50, and then again we have the previous highs, which is around 50.40 or so. So even though we have successfully closed, at least on this daily time frame, let me just jump back to that. Even though we may have closed above this major downtrend line here, you can see here that we have closed above it, and the difference is going to be, do we actually continue the trend up here? And it seems that it might, but then again it seems like it might just be a fake and then potentially roll back over. So usually when prices like this, obviously if you look on the different forums, people are very confused at what's happening. The bulls are going, why aren't we moving faster? Why aren't we breaking out? And the bears are saying, well, every time that we go down to around the 48.80 level, we bounce back. This is failing to fall apart. This is failing to break out. So, right now it's almost like a coin toss. It's a matter of, what happens heading into the week, into the end of the week. With all the news going on, there's definitely some, bidding coming in to support the price of oil. So we do have, this consolidation that we've been seeing for the past several sessions. And, in my opinion, if you're going to be a short or a long in either case in this situation, just have your stop losses in. But, for the bulls, you have your work cut out for you. The bears, you also have your work cut out for you to a degree. There's been a very strong move in the price of oil, and it's just, doesn't show any signs of either breaking out or stopping. So we'll just have to see what happens as far as everything is concerned. But if we do happen to fail to break out and roll back over, then we'd be looking to go down to about 48 to test this trend line here. That is, of course, if we break below the 48 56 level. So one thing at a time. If we break that, then we should be heading back to here. If this fails, then we'll be heading back down to this 50 period simple moving average, which is located around 46.34 at this time. So that's what you'll be looking for on the bottom side. In the event that the bulls take full control and we do see oil break out, then it's going to be a different story. So then we have the potential to make a nice strong move up to about this 51.80 level, or just shy of 52, with a possible extension to around 52.23. So those are the two different situations that you could see. I'm hoping to see one of them, because going sideways for another week is going to be extremely annoying. But at the same time, patience pays. So we'll see what happens. We're still holding on to our short position here on crude. It is a little bit nerve-wracking, but at the same time, the trade is being managed, so it's not the end of the world. Just go by rules and not emotions. So that's my little tidbit. That's what I see as far as the bullish breakout or the bearish breakdown. That's what I'll be looking for heading into the end of the week. I'm on Wall Street. I thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I do these videos bi-weekly, and I usually do them on either Friday or Sundays, depending upon my schedule, of course. So, again, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the week.